Now what we want to be able to do is write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form if given the graph. So again, we're still going to be writing the equations in this form, slope-intercept, y equals mx plus b. So the two things we need to find from the graph are the slope and the y-intercept. So let's look at the first one. So if I look at the first one, let's do the y-intercept first because it's always easiest. So the y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis, so I can see clearly that the y-intercept, or b, is going to be -4. Your slope, we're going to have to count out, so make sure you pick another point that's easy to identify that goes through an integer. So this looks like it exactly goes through that point. So notice it's going up, so it has to be positive. So rise over run again. So slope is 2, or 2 over 1. So then my equation is y equals 2x minus 4, or plus -4 is fine also. Let's try the next one. Notice here it's going through the origin, or really your y-intercept here is 0. And let's find another point that it goes through nicely. So notice that it looks like right here. Notice all these points in the middle. It's not exactly going through that integer. So this is the point that I want to pick. So notice I'm going up 5. There's my rise. And then I'm going over 3. So my slope in this case is 5 over 3. So my equation is y equals 5 over 3x plus 0. Now you don't have to write the 0, so if you just write y equals 5 over 3x, that would also be fine. Okay, let's try one more. Number 3, so notice again, this one is going through the origin, or 0, 0, so my y-intercept is 0 here. And notice this graph is going to be going down, so make sure that you understand that the slope is going to be negative. And let's find another point that goes through exactly on the integer. So here, it looks like I'm going down 1 to the right 2. So my slope is -1/2. So y equals -1 over 2x. Again, you can do the plus 0 or you don't have to.